Sunday and it's our third day in Whitby. And where are we going today? We're going to Scarborough first. So we'll be bowling and doing other games. And then later we'll go to the beach. And probably. Fingers crossed anyway. We'll see you guys later. Bye. So we've just boarded the bus now. And we're on our way to Scarborough.
You're gone now, will you call me back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.
We've landed in Scarborough. Our flight just landed in Scarborough. Now, yes, flight. I said flight on purpose.
I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Yeah, more milk, please.
I'm the only one that is not a foodie.
I love my food.
You're far away, and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
So, finally, we found a bowling place all to ourselves. Even though the first one did not work and we were disappointed, but it happened. Seriously. But anyway, this we do. Energy. Go,
It's a known fact. Yeah.
Because it's familiar.
Hello, housemates.
The other one. Oh, because it's familiar.
You're having ice cream, so that's to sustain you till you get to the promised land. Wow. The other. Finally, we are back home. And our amazing chef for tonight.
Wait, you're serious?
Our amazing chef for tonight make this delicacy for us. Look at that.
This is lovely. Look at that. The food.
How you enjoying your meal?
Don't do this to me now. It was nice, but
It's tasty. It
was 5 pepper. I don't have anyone in this already.
So do you keep alert, Abby? We'll still play game before we sleep.
Really?
You come home.
Yes, love. There's no sleep in my house tonight. I've been that job. I'm going to have the food. When she finish the food,
The food is nice actually, it's tasty.
But then, defibrillator
On the stomach. What are they trying to do? This what's in her mouth. That thing they use.
It's like engine.
Yeah. Now wow. Nollywood. Good night, ladies.
Good night.
See you in the morning. Good night. Good night. It's ending. And it's the end of the day since 12 a.m. So it started day 4 basically. Bye girls. making me ugly. Bye. See you. Have a safe trip. Hey guys, today is what's
Day 5.
I've lost count. Anyway, today is Monday and
Today is day 4. Yesterday was day 2.
yes, today is day 4. Seriously.
We did not use to travel.
She has gone back to her abodes because she's back to work, and we're chilling. We're going out to a garden. Garden. Oh my god. Oh yeah, this accent.
Going.
We're in a taxi now. We're headed to.
Good, we got a weekend.
The traveling kind.
Really, guys. Because after trekking
Got
90
into
minutes
our
for nothing.
destination. No.
Yeah, I know that.
Sense no. I can hear.
I can hear the waterfalls already.
Face me, look at me. Yay! Hey, this is an adventure. We're trying to get down to the waterfall, guys. And just 2 of us are the brave ones. When we get down, we'll show you. I need to keep my phone now so that I can concentrate. Guys, so we are at the Falling Foss waterfall in Whitby, and it's really nice. You guys saw this journey. It's not for the faint-hearted though, but it's like really nice.
All the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be
With the people.
She did not go.
No, I did not.
But we went. And we survived.
And they came
We're
back.
not
They
playing
conquered.
this dance song on you.
In case now.
In case Guinea.
You know, I use my bare feet and it was painful. How to get back.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I've been very careful.
Thank God is taxi we are taking back. So that's
Yeah.
thank you. Night view. Last night. How do you feel?
No. I don't like it. I don't want it to end, and I don't want it to end yet. I just want it to continue.
But actually, we are going back to our normal lives
You
now.
want holiday all year round? I just want to have 365 days of holiday in a year. Is that too much?
How do you now want to make money? Which money will you spend? It depends now. If you're actually a travel content creator, what do they call it? Then you can be paying you. How do you want to make money without that?
Marry a rich man.
Okay. This marry a rich man, sha.
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be
The number of people up here. I'm there as well.
explain the way I feel. Let me speak.
Don't tell me that.
It's not enough. Can we be real for a minute? You and me, how do we fix this broken hearts now, baby? Yeah. You and me, I can't give up. You can't back down. You and me, I can't get both feet on the ground. But you and me, we can just roll back to the start
Wow.
'cause it's not easy, it never is. I can't go back, I don't know any more than this. This is your so why won't you come to my galaxy? Madness for the red light. I wanna fly from small place into reality. I know.
Bye, ladies. See you. Have a safe trip. Hi guys, so let's do a quick apartment tour. So this is the first bedroom on the second floor. This was bedroom I slept in along with Priska. I really love the decor in the bedroom. It's really nice. So this is the hallway upstairs, which has the 2 bedrooms. So now let's go downstairs, down to the entrance and the masters. Yeah, that's the entrance. I love the decor on the entrance as well. It's really pretty. I mean, when you come into the apartment, you have the feel of home. I love that lampshade, that black lampshade. It's really pretty. Bathroom downstairs, it's also really nice. I love the decor. Everything about the apartment is just so chill. It's exactly how we saw it online, because we booked it online before we came. And me saying hi to you over there. So yeah, that's it with the bathroom. It's really nice. I have to turn off the lights. Energy saver. Right, then I'll show you guys. Okay, this is just an extra storage space downstairs where the cleaning materials were, and the vacuum cleaner, the ironing board, everything. And that's the master's bedroom. It's pretty big as well, and that was where Adorunke and Adenike stayed in. Yeah, the room is really nice as well, spacious. They had a bunch of decor on there. It's nice. I think the apartment as a whole was worth the money. Yeah, it was really chill. I really enjoyed my stay there. I really loved everything about it. And this is the 3rd bedroom upstairs. So this has a bunk bed, and this was where Florence stayed in. Yeah, the room is nice as well. And that's just like, what do I call this now? Is this a patio or a balcony? I don't know what to call it. But fun fact is actually that we didn't even come here at all. We didn't even sit there at all. Right, then that's upstairs. This is the living area plus the kitchen. All the appliances came with the apartment. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the apartment tour. Anyway, I'm sure. See you.
I'm gonna miss you.
Me too. Bye. Train is here.
In a dream, I let you back into my life, yeah.
guys, so I'm back home now, back to base, back to my house, and honestly speaking, it was such an interesting experience. I enjoyed every bit of it, even though it was the first time meeting as in everyone. We went together on the vacation, but trust me, it was so much fun. I really enjoyed myself within that short stay. I mean, it was really nice. Yeah, I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlogs, like you've been enjoying every bit of it. I tried as much as possible to film our stay all through the 4 days we spent in Whitby, and I think I tried, and eventually I got some stuff before leaving. So I got this salted caramel biscuit because I've tried it before. They are specially made by Farah's, if you guys can see, that's it, Farah's. So I've tried it before and they are really nice biscuits. So I'm going to give this to my friends. And I also got these key holders. And I think I really like it. It's really nice. And I also got this fridge or magnet or something like that, and there's a cork opener there, and it's just really cute. Whitby. So that is the end of our girls trip. It was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.